Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get more points on Bubble Cash. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow these tips as well. Now the first step that you need to do is create large combos and chain reactions. Pop big clusters instead of single bubbles. This gives higher points. Drop bubbles from above to trigger chain reactions which multiply your score. Second is to play fast to increase multipliers. The game rewards speed bonuses, so don't take too long between shots. Keep a fast shooting rhythm while staying accurate. Third is to use bank shots and trick shots. Bounce shots off the walls to reach tricky spots. Well placed bank shots often lead to bigger bubble drops, boosting points. Number fourth is to prioritize special bubbles and power-ups. Fireballs and bombs clears large section at once, giving extra points. Use this strategically to create massive chain reactions. Number fifth is to avoid wasting shots. Every missed shot lowers your efficiency. Plan 2 to 3 moves ahead by checking the upcoming bubbles. And lastly, maintain a high streak. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.